So about exhaust shoes, very used shoes. What can we make with that? Discard it in the trash or burn it?
Shoes?
Yes, because I associate that with the impurity of the feet.
No, there is no problem. There is no problem with the shoes. You can just throw it out. So I had this question. So somebody asked me a question. One of the person's wife died, right? And he said that if he lives not too far from me, so he asked me to come over to help him with his funeral. And he asked, and he said, so I said, I can take whatever her clothes, don't throw out, like, what a waste. We can give it to the nations. They were very rich people. Baruch Hashem, she had, I don't know, unfortunately, very empty spiritual life they had. So she had like, I don't know, 50 bags, some of them with a price tag. So of course we brought it to the nation, so many dresses, this and that. But he said, shoes I'm not going to give. I said, what's wrong with the shoes? I mean, other people can use the shoes. No. He said it's not. I mean, I don't know. It's not Jewish belief. You have to cut the shoes to destroy the shoes. So because the deceased is going to feel that somebody is walking in their shoes. I said, okay. We did not agree, but he cut all her shoes. But it's not Jewish belief. Okay.